Cruising down the road to the Hammerbarn, where the deals are hot and the service is charm. From Brisbane to the burbs, it's the place to be for all your home improvement fantasy. Hammerbarn, Hammerbarn, oh, it's the spot. Whether you're fixing up or just bought a lot, from timber to tools and the paint that you need, Hammerbarn's a place guaranteed. Bluey and Bingo, they know where to go to get the best gear for their DIY show. Mom and Dad, they're in the zone, building a dream with every stone. Pots and plates and a barbecue too, screws and nails and a fresh coat of blue. Queensland sun shining bright on the sea, Hammerbarn's a home improver's dream. Hammerbarn, Hammerbarn, oh, it's the spot. Whether you're fixing up or just bought a lot, from timber to tools and the paint that you need, Hammerbarn's a place guaranteed. Pots and pans are hopping with the family in tow, exploring every aisle from high to low. There's always something